Hello and welcome to Jason's cooking class. Today we're going to be working on making beet salad. Beet salad, you can buy about a bunch of 3 beets at the store. It's all organic. So there's 2 actually recipes that I'll be making with it. You'll be using the beet roots to make the beet salad, and then for the beet greens I'm going to saute that in a stir pan, and I'm going to make 2 dishes out of this. So first you want to wash them, of course. We're going to remove the stems because that's a separate cooking tutorial that we'll be doing, and the tails. And then with beets, you actually want to peel them. Beets are really dirty, so you want to make sure not to wear a white shirt when you make your beet salad. So now I'll get my peeler. It's just an easy peeler you can buy anywhere. These are kind of small beets actually, but the size of the beet doesn't matter because you're going to be grating them. The nice thing about beet salads is that no salt is necessary. The only thing you add to beets is just lemon juice. This part's not the dirty part, the next part will be. It's when you're grating them that it could splash all over the place. Beets are really healthy. If you have white hair or gray hair, if you eat enough beets every day, your white hair could go away, according to some people. I've been thinking about trying it too, to prevent any white hair from happening. So we finally peeled them all. Now we'll just wash it. Stage 2 of this recipe is having a good grater. You want kind of a small grater. Just grate them in, okay? This is a process that takes some strength too. So when you do your beet grating, you should kind of stand kind of far away so it won't splash on you. This is the part where you can get stained. Same with pomegranates whenever you make those. But beets are pretty good. I like them better than carrots. We're almost done with the second one. This grater is working pretty good. This is all manual work, but sometimes they have automatic machines that can do it for you. But we're just doing it the old-fashioned way. It's a pretty quick process, especially if you've done this before. I've done this several times already. So I'm becoming a professional beet salad maker. There we go. So you want to clean the back of it so you don't lose any of the important beets here. The last stage of this is using your lemon juice maker again. So we're going to make more lemon juice. I'm going to use the other half. You just want to add the lemon juice on top of the beets. Now you get your handy dandy fork. You just mix it around like that, and that's pretty much it. You get your bowl and dish it out. So 3 beets makes a small bowl, the right portion, and there it is. So that's the final product, 3 beets and a half a lemon, and you get a nice beet salad, completely fresh and organic. It's very healthy, and you'll be able to fight your white hair anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll work on the next recipe on my next show.
Stay tuned for my next lesson on how to make beet greens next.